So in this first class, we are going to start with rapid addition and subtraction. So before starting with the technique, we'll start with a small kind of activity which we called it as a mind math exercise. So first, I would like to introduce a 9s and 10s complement. So a 9s and 10s complement, which means that, for example, 9's complement is a combination of number 9. If any number added to the complement of 9, it should return the value 9. For example, 9 complement of 0 is 9, 9 complement of 1 is 8, 2 is 7, 3 is 6 and 5 is 4. So this can be taken as a speed writing. For example, 908, if I say 9081726354, which means like 9 and 0 is a combination of 9's complement. 9 plus 0 is 9, 8 plus 1 is 9, 7 plus 2 is 9, 6 plus 3 is 9 and 5 plus 4 is 9, which can be written as a speed writing. So the learner has to take this number as a complete 9081726354 as a whole number, and they should write it as a speed writing for 1 minute. And 10's complement. 10's complement is nothing but when a number is added to the complement of 10, it should return the value 10. For example, complement of 9 is 1, 8 is 2, 7 is 3, 6 is 4 and 5 is 5. Similarly, 4, 6, 3, 7, 2, 8 and 1 and 9. So the complement, 10's complement can be written as 9182736455. So this can also be written as a speed writing. So speed writing in the sense, it has to be written for a 1 minute. Like the complete number should be the 9081726354. It should be written as a continuous number and it should be written continuously for 1 minute. Set the time limit and write it for 1 minute so that you can memorize the complement easily. This is a kind of a speed writing activity. And similarly, I would like to introduce table speed writing also in this case, because if you are familiar with the tables 2 to 9, it will be easy for me to proceed with the techniques. So by default, the learner should be familiar with the tables 2 to 9. So how it can be done through speed writing, how it can be done easily. So for that purpose, I have given a small activity here. Call out the numbers and ask the learners to multiply the number. For example, you can select any number between 2 to 9. It can be 3 or 5 or 7. For example, if I say the chosen number is 7. So take the number as 7 and call out the numbers. For example, say 50 numbers randomly. And the called out number should be multiplied by 7 and the answer should be written. For example, I have given here 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 0, 2, 1, 9, 8. It should be called out in a specific speed so that the learner or the student can write the number one below the other and take a time limit for 1 minute and multiply the numbers by 7, which means 2 multiplied by 7, 3 sevens, 4 into 7, 5 into 7. The number should be multiplied by 7. The answer should be written. So this is a kind of activity where they can learn the tables easily without by hearting. Instead of by hearting the tables from 2 to 9, like 2 into 1 equal to 2, 2 into 3 equal to 6, like instead of learning the tables that way, it can be learned easily by this kind of activity. So where the students can choose the particular number and they can write the tables of that number within a given time limit. So which makes them to learn the tables easily and within the given time limit they can make the practice of writing the numbers. Similarly, complement speed writing, as I said before, the number can be taken as 9182736455 as a continuous number and they can set the time limit for 1 minute and they can write the answers. The other way of speed writing is, again, the numbers can be called out one by one so that they can write the complements for the particular number. For example, if I say 6, the 9 complement of 6 is 3. If I say 2, 9's complement of 2 is 7. So in this way, randomly they can choose a number